Hello everyone! Kasanga Foundation is deeply saddened to share the news of the passing of our beloved friend, sister, mommy, admin Maribel Misiona, aka Bella Survivor. Si Mami Bella ay isang malaking dahilan kung bakit successful ang Kasanga Foundation. She have contributed so much effort, energy, and admiration to make the foundation stand where it is. She loved by so many, at lahat tayo ay naramdaman ang pagmamahal na yan. Her life was filled with joy, love, and kindness. And she will be deeply missed by all who know her. We are heartbroken, but we can also celebrate the beautiful life she lived and lasting impact she have on our life. Mami Bella, we will sure forever miss you. Your conversation, laughter, and exchange of our internal love for one another. Mga kulitan, mapa-GC, mapa-Facebook, or mapa-YouTube man. For sure, walang kapantay. We will live in our heart forever. Rest in peace. With our love, with our Lord, and now will forever be our angel. I love you forever. We love you forever. I love you so much. Thank you, everyone.